Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to fill gaps in bushes and trees. Open your photo and zoom into the thin areas. Select the clone stamp tool with a flow flip brush. Sample dense leaves nearby. Paint over empty gaps. Flow leaf direction for realism, and also adjust brush size for least leaf clusters. Sample new areas for variety and lower opacity for soft blending. Add shadows under dense areas. Zoom out to check natural fulfillness. Fix unrealistic leaf patterns. Add highlights on brighter parts. Balance color across foliage. And